নমস্কাৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল, তোমালোক সকলোকে মই মোৰ ইউটিউব চেনেল ক্লাছ 10 to 12 লৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আমি আলোচনা কৰিম ক্লাছ 12ৰ ভয়েস চেঞ্জ 2012ৰ পৰা 2024 লৈ যিমান ভয়েস আহিছিল সেইকেইটা আজি আমি আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ লৈছোঁ। গতিকে ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল পালে এটা শ্বেয়াৰ মাৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিবা। প্ৰথম লৈছোঁ 2012ৰ ভয়েসত 3 মাৰ্ক থাকে ফাইনেল পৰীক্ষাত। প্ৰথম আছে when did you see me? উত্তৰ হ'ব when was I seen by you? তাৰপিছত নেক্সট প্ৰশ্ন she is laughing at me. উত্তৰ হ'ব I am being laughed at by her. তাৰপিছত নেক্সট you are known to me. উত্তৰ হ'ব I know you. তাৰপিছত নেক্সট প্ৰশ্ন enter by this door. উত্তৰ হ'ব you are told to enter by this door. তাৰপিছত নেক্সট SS 2013ৰ my bicycle has been stolen. উত্তৰ হ'ব somebody has stolen my bicycle. তাৰপিছত he is expected soon. We expect him soon. তাৰপিছত next he likes tea. Tea is liked by him. তাৰপিছত next please give me some more time. উত্তৰ হ'ব you are requested to give me some more time. তাৰপিছত next when will the work be finished? উত্তৰ হ'ব when will you finish the work? তাৰপিছত next এটো SS 2018ৰ হয়। প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল shoot the window. উত্তৰ হ'ব let the window be shoot. তাৰপিছত next SS 14ৰ এটো এটা আহিছে the student was told to leave the room. উত্তৰ হ'ব the teacher told the student to leave the room. তাৰপিছত next Guwahati is called the gateway to northeast. উত্তৰ হ'ব people called Guwahati the gateway to the northeast. তাৰপিছত next they laughed at us. উত্তৰ হ'ব we were laughed at by them. তাৰপিছত next my umbrella has been broken. উত্তৰ হ'ব somebody has broken my umbrella. তাৰপিছত next the thief was beaten up by the mob. উত্তৰ হ'ব the mob beat by the thief. তাৰপিছত next এইটো হ'ব you will be asked to deliver the letters. উত্তৰ হ'ব someone will ask you to deliver the letters. তাৰপিছত next 2015ৰ question হয়তো she bought the baby a doll. উত্তৰ হ'ব the baby was bought a doll by her. তাৰপিছত next they were refused admission. উত্তৰ হ'ব the authority refused their admission. তাৰপিছত next he was found guilty of murder. উত্তৰ হ'ব the police found him guilty of murder. তাৰপিছত next the leader was welcomed by the people. উত্তৰ হ'ব the people welcomed the teacher. তাৰপিছত next my watch has been stolen. উত্তৰ হ'ব somebody has stolen my watch. তাৰপিছত next she handed me the letter. উত্তৰ হ'ব I was handed the letter by her. তাৰপিছত next the stranger made an attempt to break into the house. উত্তৰ হ'ব an attempt was made by the stranger to break into the house. তাৰপিছত next have they done the work. উত্তৰ হ'ব has the work been done by them. তাৰপিছত next 2017ৰ এটো football is played everywhere. উত্তৰ হ'ব people play football everywhere. তাৰপিছত next do the work immediately. উত্তৰ হ'ব let the work be done immediately. তাৰপিছত next who opened the door. উত্তৰ হ'ব by whom was the door opened. তাৰপিছত I have lost my book. উত্তৰ হ'ব my book has been lost. তাৰপিছত next the coach is training the players. উত্তৰ হ'ব the players are being trained by the coach. তাৰপিছত next who has broken the window pane. উত্তৰ হ'ব by whom has the window pane be broken. তাৰপিছত next 18ৰ a Japanese firm makes these television sets. উত্তৰ হ'ব these television sets are made by a Japanese firm. এইটো হ'ব Japanese. তাৰপিছত next an earthquake destroyed the town. উত্তৰ হ'ব the town was destroyed by an earthquake. তাৰপিছত next whom did you laugh at. উত্তৰ হ'ব who was laughed at by you. তাৰপিছত next he was taught this in his boyhood. উত্তৰ somebody taught him this in his boyhood. তাৰপিছত next 2019 এইটো drive the car slowly. Drive the car slowly. উত্তৰ হ'ব let the car be driven slowly. তাৰপিছত next I am writing a letter now. উত্তৰ হ'ব a letter is being written by me now. তাৰপিছত next প্ৰশ্ন we should not encourage indiscipline. উত্তৰ হ'ব indiscipline should not be encouraged. উত্তৰ হ'ব তাৰপিছত next প্ৰশ্ন who wrote the Ramayana? উত্তৰ হ'ব by whom was the Ramayana written? তাৰপিছত next promise should be kept. উত্তৰ হ'ব we should keep promises. তাৰপিছত next he will be forgotten in a few years. উত্তৰ হ'ব people will forgotten him in a few years. তাৰপিছত next the nurse is looking after this little girl. উত্তৰ হ'ব this little girl is being looked after by the nurse. তাৰপিছত morning shows the day. উত্তৰ হ'ব the day is showed by morning. তাৰপিছত the glass has not been broken by anybody. উত্তৰ হ'ব nobody has broken the glass. তাৰপিছত next what causes an earthquake? উত্তৰ হ'ব what is an earthquake caused by? তাৰপিছত next the ground has to be cleared by us. We have to clean the ground. তাৰপিছত next the governor gave him a reward. উত্তৰ হ'ব he was given a reward by the governor. তাৰপিছত next এইটো 2022 question হয় he bought his son a watch. উত্তৰ হ'ব a watch was bought to his son by him. তাৰপিছত next the girl was punished for misconduct. উত্তৰ হ'ব the teacher punished the girl for misconduct. তাৰপিছত next why did no one inform me of the change of plan? উত্তৰ হ'ব why was informed of the change of plan by no one. তাৰপিছত next প্ৰশ্ন the blind man was being led by a little boy. উত্তৰ হ'ব a little boy was leading the blind man. তাৰপিছত next the coach is training the players. উত্তৰ হ'ব the players are being trained by the coach. তাৰপিছত next drive the car slowly. উত্তৰ হ'ব you are advised to drive the car slowly. তাৰপিছত he will be forgotten in a few days. উত্তৰ হ'ব we will forgotten him in a few days. তাৰপিছত next 2023 question হয় এইটো প্ৰথম আছে he was instructed by his coach to play that shoot. উত্তৰ হ'ব এইটো his coach instructed him to play that shoot. তাৰপিছত next প্ৰশ্ন please give me some more time. উত্তৰ হ'ব এইটো you are requested to give me some more time. তাৰপিছত next is the gardener watering the plants? উত্তৰ এইটো হ'ব are the plants being watered by the garden? তাৰপিছত next Rome was not built in a day. উত্তৰ হ'ব কি কৈছো উত্তৰ হ'ব they did not build Rome in one day. তাৰপিছত next প্ৰশ্ন I saw a road accident yesterday. উত্তৰ হ'ব a novel is হ'ব আৰু তাৰপিছত next প্ৰশ্ন 2024 হয়তো প্ৰথম আছে she likes sweets. উত্তৰ হ'ব sweets is liked by her. তাৰপিছত next the man narrated me a story. উত্তৰ হ'ব I was narrated a story by the man. তাৰপিছত who will build the cat? উত্তৰ হ'ব by whom will the cat be boiled? তাৰপিছত don't split the rumor. উত্তৰ হ'ব the rumor is split by them. আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো এখানে আছিল। যদি ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল পাইছে তেনেহ'লে এটা শ্বেয়াৰ মাৰি দিবলৈ নাপাহৰিবা। থেংকছ ফৰ ৱাচিং।